Yung Singapore Flyers. Dali lang yung video ko. Singapore Flyers with Michelle, Adrian, Andre, and me.
This is Irene.
Kami.
Here on flight B6, right?
Flight B6, Singapore Flyers. Medyo nasa 1/4 na kami ng taas ng Flyers. You can see the city view. There. The city view and the structure of the Flyers. Then, we're almost at the peak of the Flyers. Siguro mga 3/4 of it bago mag-peak. And this is the view with Adrian, Andre, Adrian,
Mommy, I'm scared.
Momsi, and me. Yan ang view.
And this is the
We're as tall as the
imagination.
building already.
Hey, and this is the.
Kaya ba ayusin yung kama mag-isa? Pag nakainom na ako. B6. Ayan na. We're almost at the top. That's the peak. Malapit na. Malapit na tayo sa peak. And we're higher than the building now. Sea view. This is Singapore. Ewan ko saan na Malaysia. Kita raw dito Malaysia eh.